got the dash cam recording you.
Recording me?
Yeah. You know, something different.
Run, Forrest!
He stopped running.
Bro, this automatic gas window, bro.
This automatic gas G35. Where do you want to get food?
Chicken and rice truck, brother.
Left or right?
Right.
Chicken and rice truck, brother.
That's my favorite place to go, bro, honestly.
Mobile mechanic.
I've been eating that for about 3 months now. Chicken and rice and tacos. A little mix of something else, like Wendy's or something, but like, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe some Chipotle.
Seems like the best place to go around here.
Yeah, some fucking chicken and rice food truck.
They really put their heart and soul in it.
The other night they were out of rice because it was like $9.49 and they closed at 10.
Did you hear that? Some bitch was like,
They closed at 10, so they only gave me a chicken salad.
damn. Alright. See, that whole thing could be an interview. Like, I'll just do like a 1.5 minute interview. I'll upload it. I'll upload it on YouTube or something.
But you want to know what's fucked?
What?
This thing, it's like Zen pouches, bro. I looked at the directions, and it said place an upper eyelid, enjoy up to 1 hour, and they're nicotine pouches. Chuck called Brian a retard.
You got a BMW right here. You want to do a dig?
Yeah, sure, but I don't got my 360 camera. If not, it's dope.
I just got a little camera right here.
I got mine right here, but I don't got it set up.
Oh man. Alright.
Damn, bro, you gotta make it right at this light. Series, bro.
We gotta make it right. Alright.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's clean as fuck. 3 Series, bro. Damn.
Bro, I had that shit sideways still.
Bro, that was a nice ass 3 Series, dude.
Yeah.
That's like basically what I got, except no wheels. I need wheels, bro. Well, Mike, I'm gonna strip the truck and sell shit for what it is and make money and get another truck.
Wait, so do I take a left or a right soon? Sorry.
Just keep going straight.
You're gonna what? Sorry.
But for now, I'm just gonna mod my car. Like shocks, sway bars, and then like wheels and shit. Tent. Fix the window over here so it goes down.
First thing I would do is the diff bushing.
Yeah.
The best modification is maintenance.
I'm not really gonna drift her that much. I'm just gonna get wheels to look stylish.
It's so important though.
Yeah, they'll be alright for a while.
I'll throw 100 on it.
It's gonna be so much work with the rust ass bolts, bro. I don't even want to dig into it. I'll be alright.
I'll fund your build.
When they go out, they go out. You feel me?
I'm gonna go to 4,000 here.
Retarded, bro.
Well, which one do you want to go to then? Is the more reliable place or what?
Yeah, I guess more reliable. But I kind of want some chicken, but I mean that other place has chicken, but like it's not the same.
It's chicken and rice.
But it's not the same, bro. But we'll do it. Bro, I went to Circle K to get the Modelo's to get this, and they were like. Circle K was like, well, we can't take the paper ID. We can't take it. I looked at him and was like, you can't take this legal ID right here I got from the B&B. He's like, no. I said, you're fucking retarded. I just grabbed my shit, bro, and I just fucking went to Speedway. And it was a black dude, and he was like, bro, I don't give a fuck, bro. He was like, he looked at my birthday and was like, yeah, you 21. We good, cuz.
Where do I go though?
Straight. I'll let you know, like I really will. I'll let you know in turn. Alright. It's not much farther. But yeah, I was like, he was like, yeah, cuz. He was like, I don't give a fuck. It says you're 21 on the paper. You're good. I was like, yeah, bro. Got these and got some fucking Modelo's. I was vibing, bro. So, bro, now I'm 21, bro. I can buy alcohol and go to any gas station, bro. My BMW exhaust is getting louder because it's like rotting out because it's old. And, dude, it's actually sounding nice. It's like, I'm like, hell yeah, bro. If I got an actual system, it sounds so nice. Alright, you see that red truck right there?
Nah.
That right there to the left?
No.
You're gonna have to pull over like
right, turn left here.
Yeah, but that nigga's in your way, bro.
Like right here?
Yeah. I mean, you can right here, yeah. And then you can cut across into that lot if you want to, because there's the red
I'm about
truck.
to. I got you.
So,
Sorry, I just didn't see it.
bro, you know these are some Somalian niggas, bro. When they park like that in the semis, park right there. Like, nigga, I know there ain't no semi shop right there, nigga. You fucking retarded. I'll be right back.
I'm coming with you.
Okay.